let's make the Obby template uniquely yours. ZEPETO offers a variety of 3D assets in different themes, and for this example, we'll opt for a space theme. Here's how to do it. Open the Package Manager by navigating to Window, Package Manager. In the Package Manager window, click the Advanced button located in the top right corner and select Advanced Project Settings. Within the Project Settings, locate the Package Manager section and click the Plus button at the bottom right of Scope. In the newly added field, type Asset and click Apply. Once again, access the Package Manager by clicking Window, Package Manager. Select Packages, My Registries, and you'll see the list of ZEPETO asset packages added. Choose the Galaxy package and proceed to install it. Once the installation is complete, close the Package Manager window. In the Project window at the bottom, select the Packages folder, Galaxy Prefab. You can see how your 3D asset will look in the preview. To customize your map, simply drag and drop moons and planets into empty spaces. Keep in mind that 3D space has its own coordinates. If you select an object and look at the inspector on the right, you can see its X, Y, Z coordinates in the Position section. The location where the ZEPETO character is created is at 000, which is the origin. When placing objects on the map, make sure that they don't overlap the spawn location of the character, and conversely, avoid placing them too far away from the character's main path, or they may become invisible. Next, drag in a flat object and place it on the map. If it is small, you can adjust it by entering a scale value in the inspector. Alternatively, you can select the Resize tool from the toolbar to adjust it directly with the mouse. If you prefer a simpler-looking map, you can add basic 3D shapes provided by Unity. Simply click the plus button in the hierarchy and navigate to 3D Object Cube. This will create a cube on the screen, which you freely manipulate by moving, rotating, and resizing it until it matches your desired appearance. By default, the 3D shapes created by Unity are white. If you wish to change the color, you'll need to utilize a material. Think of a material as the wrapping paper that you apply to the outside of your shape. To create a material, right-click in the Project window. Select Create and choose Material. Let's name it Cube Color. In the Materials Inspector, click on the white color picker and select the desired color, such as red. Then, simply drag and drop the red material file onto the cube. The cube's color will change to red. Any changes made to the color in the Material Inspector will automatically update the color of the cube as well. In this way, you can add additional materials for any color you want. In this lesson, we'll explore how to apply your own images to shapes. Begin by preparing a copyright-free image. You can use an image-generating AI or take a photo of your own. For this example, I'll be using an image of the ZEPETO app icon. Next, drag the image from your PC's Explorer and drop it into the Asset folder located in the project window. Once imported, you'll notice that the image appears as a texture 2D in the inspector. Textures are also a type of material, which means they can be applied to the surface of 3D shapes. Simply drag the image onto the shape, such as a cube, to see it applied in real time. You can also experiment by dragging in colored materials or image textures to see how they swap out when applied. This method provides an easy way to add a default, featureless platform. But what if you want to customize a platform with specific features? The process is slightly different for platforms with added features. For instance, let's consider the moving platform. If you select it on the map and view the inspector, you'll notice it has a script attached. Adding scripts directly can be complicated, so we're going to swap out the appearance. Beneath the moving platform is an object called ground model, responsible for the visual appearance. This hierarchical relationship is known as a parent-child structure. We're going to delete the child objects, leaving the parent object, the moving platform, behind. Then, drag the cube platform we just created from the hierarchy and drop it onto the moving platform. This action makes the cube a child of the moving platform, altering its appearance while retaining its functionality. With everything set, press play and observe how your new design now functions as a moving platform. Utilize these techniques to add color and variety to your maps.